Hello, my beautiful glow babies. Today, we're exposing the sneaky makeup mistakes that can sabotage your look. We'll conquer them together, claymation style. Get ready to see these mishaps come to life. I'll walk you through the 10 most common mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them for that flawless, I woke up like this glam. From the first step to the final spritz, this is your ultimate guide to makeup perfection. Ready to level up your skills? Let's get into it. Let's start at the very foundation of your makeup routine, primer. It might seem like an extra step, but trust me, it's the secret weapon that separates flawless looks from makeup meltdowns. If you've ever wondered why your foundation doesn't look as smooth as you hoped, or why it seems to disappear by lunchtime, the answer often lies in this one simple product. Skipping primer is the #1 mistake I see, and it can truly ruin your whole look. Imagine spending time perfecting your foundation, only to have it settle into every line, cling to dry patches, or slide off your face by midday. It's frustrating, right? That's why primer is so important. It's the unsung hero of your makeup bag. Primer smooths your skin, fills in pores, and creates a perfect, even base for your foundation. Think of it as the canvas for your masterpiece. It blurs imperfections, minimizes the look of pores, and helps your makeup glide on effortlessly. With primer, your skin feels softer, looks more refined, and your foundation has something to grip onto. Without primer, foundation clings to dry patches, sinks into pores, and slides off oily spots. You might notice your makeup looking patchy, uneven, or even cakey as the day goes on. It's like building a house without a solid foundation. Things just don't hold up. The best part? There's a primer for every skin type. If you have oily skin, reach for a mattifying primer to control shine and keep your makeup in place. If your skin is dry, a hydrating primer will add moisture and prevent your foundation from looking flaky or dull. There are even primers that color correct, add radiance, or smooth fine lines. Using primer is like giving your skin a refreshing drink before you apply makeup. It preps your face, making it feel comfortable and ready for the next steps. You'll notice your foundation applies more evenly and looks more natural. Primer also acts like a magnet for your foundation, gripping it in place so your look lasts all day and even into the night. No more worrying about your makeup fading, creasing, or sliding off before you're ready to take it off. Think of primer as an investment in your makeup. You're spending time and money on great products. Let them perform at their best. A good primer can make even budget-friendly foundation look high-end. Take a little time to find a primer that suits your unique skin needs. Whether you want a dewy glow, a matte finish, or extra hydration, there's a primer out there for you. Once you find your match, make it a staple in your routine. Your skin and foundation will thank you for it. You'll notice a difference not just in how your makeup looks, but in how it feels and lasts throughout the day. Once you start using primer, you'll wonder how you ever did your makeup without it. It's a small change that makes a huge impact, and you'll never want to go back to skipping this step. So don't skip this step, trust me. Make primer your new non-negotiable, and watch your makeup routine transform. Primer is a total game changer. Give it a try and let your skin and your confidence shine. Let's talk about one of the most common makeup mistakes, using the wrong foundation shade. We've all seen it, and maybe even done it ourselves. That telltale line where your face and neck are two completely different colors. It's a classic beauty blunder that can throw off your entire look, no matter how flawless the rest of your makeup is. Testing foundation on your hand? It might seem convenient, but it's actually a big mistake. The skin on your hand is often a different shade and undertone than your face, so you're almost guaranteed to pick the wrong color. Instead, always swatch foundation on your jawline. This is the best way to make sure your face and neck blend seamlessly, avoiding that dreaded mask effect. But it's not just about the shade. Knowing your undertone is crucial. Are you cool with pink or blue undertones? Warm with yellow or golden, or neutral? Somewhere in between? This makes all the difference in finding a foundation that truly looks like your skin. Here's a quick trick. Check the veins on your wrist. If they look blue, you're likely cool-toned. If they appear green, you're warm-toned. If you can't really tell, you're probably neutral. This little test can save you so much time and frustration at the makeup counter. When you're testing shades, swatch 3 close options on your jawline. Then, step into natural light. Indoor lighting can be deceiving. The shade that disappears into your skin is your perfect match. Don't forget to let the foundation settle for a few minutes. Some formulas oxidize and get darker as they dry, So what looks perfect at first might turn to orange or ashy later. The right foundation shade should be invisible on your skin. It should blend so well that you can't tell where your makeup ends and your skin begins. The wrong shade, on the other hand, draws attention for all the wrong reasons. It can make your skin look unnatural and distract from your features, no matter how well you've applied everything else. So take your time when choosing a foundation. Compare different shades, test them in various lights, and don't be afraid to ask for samples or help from a beauty advisor. Finding your true match is an act of self-love. It's the secret to a seamless, radiant base that lets your natural beauty shine through. Remember, your makeup should enhance your features, not cover them up or hide who you are. The best foundation is the one that looks like you, just a little more polished. Don't let your foundation wear you. Instead, wear your foundation with confidence, knowing it's the perfect match for your unique skin. A perfect match is everything. It's the difference between makeup that looks obvious and makeup that looks effortless. So let your natural beauty shine through, and let your foundation be your invisible secret to a flawless, glowing complexion. Let's talk brows, the frames of your face. Eyebrows are more than just a patch of hair above your eyes. They shape your entire expression and can completely transform your look. But lately, there's been an epidemic sweeping the beauty world: the overdrawn eyebrow. Overdrawn, blocky brows look harsh and unnatural. They can overpower your features, making your face appear stern or even cartoonish. It's easy to get carried away with pencils and pomades, but less is truly more when it comes to brows. Enhance your natural shape, don't redraw it. Your brows are unique to you, and following your natural arch will always look the most flattering. Instead of trying to force a new shape, work with what you have. Use a shade that matches your hair or is one shade lighter. This keeps your brows looking soft and believable, rather than stark and drawn on. Avoid going too dark, which can make your brows look heavy and unnatural. Apply with light, hair-like strokes, not a heavy hand. Mimic the look of real brow hairs by using short, feathery motions. This technique fills in sparse areas without creating a solid, blocky effect. Focus product on the arch and tail. Keep the front soft and diffused. The front of your brows should look lighter and more natural, gradually building intensity toward the arch and tail for a lifted, balanced effect. Blend with a spoolie to soften lines and create a natural gradient. Brushing through your brows not only blends the product, but also helps your brows look fluffier and more dimensional. Brows should be sisters, not twins. Imperfection is natural. Don't stress if they aren't perfectly identical. A little asymmetry adds character and charm to your face. Embrace your shape and keep it feathery. Fluffy, textured brows are modern and youthful, giving your face a fresh, approachable vibe. Step away from harsh stencils and dark pomades. These tools can make brows look too severe and dated. Instead, opt for softer pencils or powders that let you build up color gradually. Soft, defined brows open up your face. They draw attention to your eyes and make your features look more harmonious and awake. A little blending goes a long way. Even if you've applied too much product, a quick brush through can save the day and restore a natural finish. Remember, polished, natural brows are always in. They complement every face and never go out of style. So embrace your unique brow journey and let your natural beauty shine. The golden rule: blend, blend, blend. Harsh lines ruin even the best colors. Blending makes makeup seamless. For foundation, buff into skin and blend edges at the jaw and hairline. Use a damp sponge for an airbrushed finish. For eyeshadow, start with a transition shade and blend with fluffy brushes. Layer and diffuse colors for a gradient effect. Blush and bronzer, no stripes, blend upwards for a natural lift. Good brushes make all the difference. Take your time. Blending is what makes your look professional. When in doubt, blend it out. Powder sets makeup, but too much leads to cake face. Avoid packing powder everywhere. Focus on oily areas like the T-zone. Use a small brush or damp sponge to press powder in, not sweep. Choose a finely milled, translucent powder for a natural finish. Dry skin? Use less or skip powder where you don't need it. If you overdo it, revive your skin with a hydrating mist or setting spray. Powder should enhance, not mask your skin. Be strategic and light-handed. Let your natural glow shine through. Powder is your friend in moderation. Keep it fresh, not dusty. Don't forget your neck. A flawless face with a bare neck creates a harsh line. Hello, floating head. After foundation, blend leftover product down your neck for a seamless transition. Wearing a low neckline? Bring a bit of foundation or bronzer onto your chest. This ties your look together and avoids obvious lines. The goal: one continuous, even skin tone. It takes seconds but makes a huge difference. Always finish by buffing down your neck. No more mask effect, just a natural, polished look. Your face and neck are one canvas. Keep it cohesive and believable. Using expired makeup isn't just a mistake, it's a health risk. Old products breed bacteria, leading to irritation, breakouts, or infections. Check the period after opening PAO symbol on packaging for shelf life. Mascara and liquid liner, toss after 3 months. Creams and liquids, 6-12 months. Powders up to 2 years. But toss if texture or smell changes. Mark the date you open new products. Be ruthless. If you can't remember when you bought it, toss it. Your health is worth more than an old palette. Refresh your collection and protect your skin. Clean makeup = flawless application. Stay safe and beautiful. Great makeup starts with great skin. Never apply makeup to dirty, dry, or unprepped skin. Cleanse to remove dirt and oil, then moisturize, even if you're oily. Hydrated skin means smoother, more even makeup. Let moisturizer sink in before primer. Always finish with sunscreen, rain or shine. SPF protects against aging and damage. Good skincare is the foundation of beauty. Prepped skin = flawless makeup. Don't skip this essential step. Under eye concealer, less is more. Too much looks cakey and settles into lines. Apply small dots at the inner and outer corners only. Blend gently with your ring finger or a mini sponge. Use a hydrating, luminous formula for brightness. Set with a tiny amount of powder to prevent creasing. Strategic placement lifts and brightens without heaviness. Avoid thick triangles. Target darkness, not your whole under eye. The result: fresh, youthful, crease-free eyes. Fake 8 hours of sleep in seconds. The final step: setting spray. It locks in your look, fights humidity, and keeps makeup fresh all day. Setting spray melts powders together for a natural, dewy finish. Choose mattifying for oily skin, dewy for dry. Hold 8-10 inches away, mist in an X and T shape. Let it dry, don't touch. This quick step makes your makeup last and look flawless. Don't skip the icing on the cake. That's it, 10 common makeup mistakes and how to fix them. The little details make all the difference for a flawless, confident look. Share your favorite tips or past mistakes in the comments. I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and join our Glow Baby community. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.